Hi, it's Sheryl with juicinggardener.com, and I am up to my elbows in soil and transplanting all my seedlings today. And I just thought you'd see, I've gotten a few questions from people that, want to know, can you grow cucumbers in the winter? Does winter sowing technique actually work for growing cucumbers in the snow? Yes, I said snow. And I'm here to tell you it absolutely worked beautifully. I wanted to show you. You can check out my other videos. I've got just a ton of videos on how to plant your seeds in the snow and sit them out in 3 feet of snow and grow them all winter in little pots. And so you can see the tutorials on those. So what I do is I take these containers, cut them in half, different kinds of jugs, and there's a whole procedure to it. But I plant seeds in the soil, tape it back up, and sit it out in the snow. And that's what I did with these cucumbers. These are double yield cucumbers. So they went in there until they were about this tall, right there, really growing well before I released them. And I maybe grew 10 different seedlings in one little pot, and sometimes only half of them would work. Then I took each seedling, broke up the soil, and transplanted each one into a pot that size. And then these just grew to that size, and I was way late in getting them in, which you'll hear in just about every seedling video, because like every gardener, I'm behind. But this is what I just planted right now. Look how gorgeous this is. And that grew in the snow. Here's the other one. I put 2 double yield cucumber plants in this one pot. Look how long this vine is. Got blossoms on it, ready to shoot cucumbers. And I should not have left it in that long. I should have transplanted it a little smaller than that before the blossoms even got on the plant. So, but anyway, I'm very excited about this winter sowing technique. I don't have to grow seeds in the house and have it overtake my living room and sunroom. I had over 300 seedlings the first year, and it takes over your whole house for the winter. So I didn't enjoy that part. I mean, hold on, my phone's almost dying here. But once I learned this winter sowing technique, I am sold. All my seeds are growing outside in little greenhouses like this. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can learn all about it. I'll have gardening videos all year, not just in the summer for you, because I'll be doing gardening all summer long, winter sowing, and I'll have some great videos for you this summer. I'm loving what I'm doing. I'm so glad that you're here. Give us a thumbs up if you like these videos. I sure appreciate that. And subscribe to the channel, and go down in the comment section and tell me if you started winter sowing yet, or growing your vegetables in the snow, and what grew the best for you. Because I was really surprised. I just couldn't imagine that it would work. They were sitting out there for 3 months in the snow. Let us know what worked for you, or if you're willing to try it. Okay, thanks so much. It's Sheryl Mann signing off for now. I'll see you on the next video.